It's clear from the Jetta's official reveal inside Cobo Center, which used images of Detroit cityscapes and photos of hip young millennials and families, whom Volkswagen is targeting with a new generation of its best-selling vehicle in the US. But the company also sees the Jetta as an important piece of rebuilding consumer trust in the wake of the diesel emissions scandal and strengthening its position in the US market. So here comes the new 2019 Jetta, which arrives in showrooms in the second quarter in 5 trim options, plus a sporty R-line trim, which gets exclusive interior and exterior design flourishes and the XDS electronic differential. The compact sedan gets a longer wheelbase, wider stance and more interior room, plus LED tail and headlights. Its 1.4-liter TSI engine offers best-in-class torque and available 8-speed automatic and 6-speed manual transmissions, plus a 400-watt Beats audio system. It's priced competitively starting at $18,545, a hair under the price of its outgoing version. Despite packing it with more features, sales of the Jetta fell 4.4% in the US last year to 115,807, so it'll be interesting to see how the new version performs when it hits showrooms in the second quarter.